Hi guys, welcome to part 3 of how to make a basic game in Buildbox. So let's get started. First, let's make a ground checker. To do that, let's go to Asset Library and select a cube and let's name it enemy. So what we are doing is we are going to place this under our platform. So when our player falls from the platform, it'll land on this and it'll be game over. So let's name it enemy and let's set the collision group to enemy as well. Now go to 3D model and I'll select a color. I'll select red or orange, maybe red. Okay. So now let's drag and drop our enemy. I'm going to scale it now. Okay. And check the position whether it's correct. Okay. Now I'm actually going to do the same in other scene or level. I'm just going to duplicate it. Control C and Control V. There you go. Okay. So now let's actually go to our player. Is we need it to get defeat after it touches it. So drag and drop if collide and go to it and change affected assets to enemy. Now we need to do something when it collides with the enemy. And let's drag and drop a defeat node. And we need some more nodes as well. So let's add a debris explosion. So type in debris explosion and we'll also need a delay and an event. So let's cross that and select an event node and type in delay node as well. We'll need a delay as well, that's why. So ticket to pause current world and let's drag and drop our delay. Okay. So now let's connect if collide to the delay. And let's reconnect or disconnect our defeat and connect it with out. And now connect the menu jump to out and connect explode to collide. Now let's select a cube and let's name it cube and set the collision to none. Let's put it to none. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now I'm going to select a color like yellow. Okay, now let's go to a player and select debris explosion. Now go to asset and click the pen icon and select our cube. Now assign. So what it'll do is it'll burst about 50 cubes when it's game over. And now let's set the delay to about a second. Yeah. And defeat the tick remove. Okay. Okay. So never connect a event node with the menu jump. I mean no, with the game mode. Sorry. I'll show you why. Go to our mind. That is the mind of our game. So as you can see, there is a place called event. If we connect it to the game over, it won't appear. So we need it to appear so that we can have a UI like a game over UI. Okay, so let's connect it to event. Okay, now let's drag and drop a UI screen. Okay, now let's connect it with event. Now when that event happens, it'll load the UI screen. That's what will happen. Okay. Okay, let's now open the UI by double clicking on it. So as you can see, we have a blank UI. So let's go to asset, and so there are lots of buttons and icons. So let's actually go to the icons option, and let's select home and replay. Yeah, let's add them to our project. Okay, let's get it out from our asset library. Okay, let's select a default font, and let's text it you lost. Yeah. Okay, there you go. So now it'll say that you lost or I lost. Yeah. Okay. Let's actually go to a player, and I'm going to decrease the amount of delay to about 0.5. 0.5. Okay. Now let's just drag and drop our replay and home just to see it. So there you go. You can see them now. Okay, now delete those two or remove them from the screen. And now let's actually add the navigation button. Drag and drop navigation button. Okay, now let's select an image. I'm going to select the replay image and set the function to restart. There's a function called restart. Okay, now let's select another one, and yeah, let's select an image. I'm going to select home image. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to place it. Okay. Now I'm going to set the function to default. You'll see why. I'm going to position it correctly. Let's go to a player. Let's now preview. We have a problem, but the UI screen does appear. Okay, let's go to a 3D world, and let's yeah, reposition it. Actually, let's increase the platform, or like yeah, let's increase our platform, and yeah, let's do that. So let's select the platform, only the platform. Don't select the enemy. Uh, yeah, now it'll do. Now let's select all. Okay, now it'll, yeah, only the platform. So that's what we want. Now let's increase the height of it by 1, and the cube as well. Okay, now let's go to enemy, and again say that, click that, and go to enemy, and let's put the height to about 0.9. Yeah, 0.9. That will do. Okay, now I'll position our platform a little bit. Okay, so actually we need to do the same thing in level 2. So yeah, select only the platform and increase it to 1, and set enemy to 0.9. Okay, okay. Now let's hit preview. Okay, as you can see now it's way more better. But can you see like a small line between, yeah, that yeah. So let's, I think, reduce the size of our enemy. Maybe that'll work. Let's try. Maybe let's bring our enemy near to the start and the end. Yeah, near me, like let's keep it between the start and the end. Let's, I don't know, let's try that. Let's go to scale and scale it. Hmm. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please watch part 4 when it comes. And like, share, subscribe for more videos. And if you have any doubts, please comment down below. See you. And I will make a different video about UI screens and what they do. So thanks. Bye.